Hi, welcome to Lana's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a delicious shrimp scampi recipe. To get started, you will need 2 pounds of cleaned and deveined shrimp. You will need 1 bunch of Italian flat leaf parsley, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 sprig of rosemary, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and juice of 1 lemon. Next, we're going to add some salt to the shrimp. Fresh black pepper, and drizzle extra virgin olive oil on top. Now, put your softened unsalted butter into a mixing bowl. Chop up your parsley, chop up your sprig of rosemary. Add the parsley into the bowl. And the rosemary. Using a garlic press, add 6 cloves of crushed garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon rind, and the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 cup of plain Panko Japanese breadcrumb into the bowl. Combine all your ingredients using a spoon. Next, place the mixture on top of your shrimp so they're ready to be baked. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and bake your shrimp for 15 minutes or until your topping is golden brown. The shrimp smell delicious. They just finished cooking and they're ready to be served. Here you have it, Lana's Kitchen shrimp scampi over angel hair pasta. Absolutely delicious. Remember to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.